Hey, this is Marco, and in this I'm going to show you how to check search history in Snapchat. So what you want to do is open up Snapchat, but before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to the top left on your profile, and then you want to go to the top right on the gear icon. Here you want to scroll until you see My Data. So you can see here, My Data, you want to tap on that. Then you want to log into Snapchat, and once you have logged in, you're going to have different options here. So you can include your memories, chat media, shared stories. You can choose in what file you want to export it, user information, change chat history, spotlight, shopping. Like you can do all of the different things you want to be turned on and off. Then you want to click on next, and from there just select the time period, and on the bottom click submit, and that's it. You will get access to your search history. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.